It's officially time for the taste testing. Right. Which one are you trying first?
Earl Grey.
I'll try the Earl Grey.
Yeah, they're airy. This time, but okay. Ignore that. I still have a bunch of decor here that I need to figure out where it goes. I'm wearing my apron. More decor up there. I'm very proud of myself because this closet is majority empty. Just some storage stuff on the top and bottom, but I'm gonna readjust some stuff still to empty it more. All my clothes are in there, folded. Then I have all my clothes hanging here. And then I have socks, purses, and belts in my backpack. And then I have, that's clean laundry, and then shoes and more shoes. And Boba, watch out, Bobby. And then over here, I have a mess, more mess on my computer. And then that looks through to over there, which I'll show you. So then you go back this way. So here's the kitchen. The mess from the macarons. Dishes everywhere. I have my trash and my little thing here, and my angel. And then here's what the living room looks like. And the dining area. There's me in the reflection. And then Boba's stuff is back here. And then Boba's cat tree is gonna be back there. Here's the gallery wall. And then this is the pantry. And like all my tea and baking stuff too. And my spices are in the drawer. And then that pulls out too, and that's like all my pantry stuff. More baking stuff and like some stuff in the middle. And then I just have my banana thing, little cookie jar that I keep stuff in. And then this is like bread and produce and stuff. So yeah, that's it. My cookbooks are here. I think that's everything. Oh, and this is my washer and dryer. And I keep all my stuff up there on top.